Hello, and welcome to the 1% Crypto Trading Bot by CryptoCoins. I designed this bot to simplify my crypto trading. I had different ideas as to how I would trade efficiently if I had an automated system. I went through different crypto bot trading applications, and I found this one being the most effective according to my trading style. I like the flexibility and set of functionalities this app allows me to adjust. Anyone who has no experience with coding or trading bots will be easily able to set up their own bot and be up and running by the end of this course. It's beginner friendly and easy to understand. Who is this bot for? This bot was designed using the dollar cost average strategy for long-term investors with a penchant for compounding interest. This tool uses automation as an edge to express this idea and is not intended to be used as a daily source of income, but will still be able to do so with the consequence of limited future returns. Reinvesting the profits will allow for your bot to grow exponentially. Based on a 7-day trading period, you're expected, but not subject to, make a 5% return on your investment. Results will vary from day to day, depending on a number of different factors, such as the selected crypto, the crypto's volatility, and market conditions. So this bot is not guaranteeing a 5% return every week, but it is a range in which the bot's been tested and proven itself for its returns. And these are the kind of returns you will be seeing day to day out of this bot. This is a 7-day period test that I did with this bot, and as you can see, it's profitable every day. I started this bot on December 23rd. I invested $1,000, so this test was based on a $1,000 investment for a course of 7 days. The first day I made $6.15. The second day I made $6.56. The third day was volatile and I earned $13. And then the following day was very slow. This was on a Sunday, so it seems like Sundays are pretty slow. I only made $2. Come Monday, I came back up, earning $12.41 and $5.96 here the following day. And lastly, we have $6.76. And this is what it looks like right now. First day, I made $6.13. Second day, I was up to $12.69. Third day, I was up to $25.87. And then the fourth, $27.91. Fifth, $40.32. Sixth, $46.28, and lastly, $53.04. So in 7 days, I managed to make a 5.3% return on my investment. This is the kind of performance you are going to expect out of this bot. And this is my actual trading history. Daily consistent returns. Before we get started, there is a minimum capital requirement of $600 for this bot. No coding experience required. You will also need a 3 commas monthly subscription. You can either go for the free plan or advanced plan, which is preferred. 3 commas paid plan rates are available on their website. Make sure to check rates before viewing this course. That does it for this lecture. Let's continue to the next one. And you just viewed the introduction to my new full 1% Trading Bot course. And if you'd like to view the full course, make sure to click the link under the description of this video under Trading Bot. And it will take you to this page and give you the full course curriculum. And for those who are in my Patreon, I'm going to give this course for free to my 3 supporters. Going forward, if you join Patreon, I will give you a 25% discount coupon and give coupons to any future courses. And that's going to do it for this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content like this. Also, link under the description of this video for free Discord, Patreon, and now my 1% Trading Bot. That's going to do it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.